Leslie.
Yes.
Yes, Leslie.
I'm going through a disillusionment, domestic partner disillusionment, and we have a meeting.
Hold on a minute. Domestic partner disillusionment? Wait a minute. Are you Lebanese?
Yes, I am Lebanese.
Ah, well, there you are.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Good.
We were going to a mediator, and the mediator said two things that don't make sense to me. One is, when we met, she owned a condo, and she put me on half of the condo. We refied, and I was on half the condo.
Wait, I don't know what that means. Half the condo. It was a.
I'm a joint owner.
All right, so it's joint tenancy.
Joint tenancy.
Okay,
yes.
that is not. Let me explain something really quickly. I want everybody to know that joint tenancy does not mean that you own half. It means each of you separately own all.
Okay.
All right? Each of you own all the condo. It's a very interesting concept, but legally that's a big difference. But go ahead.
Okay. Well, the mediator said because she owned it originally and she did not write a letter of intent for me to actually own part of it, that I don't get the condo.
A bull.
Yeah, that's
bull. That's crapola.
Yeah, that's crapola.
Yeah.
Okay, number two, we bought a house, and I put inheritance money into the down payment. And my understanding is that I should get that inheritance money back.
I don't think so. Once you've put it into the down payment, you've given a gift to the community.
Okay.
Yeah, you that's a gift you gave.
Okay.
Yeah,
so that doesn't matter. Okay.
I don't think that matters. No. How long were you two together?
18 years.
Okay, that's a good long time. So that makes sense. What happened? She leave you for another woman? Even better, did she leave you for a man?
No, that would be better.
That would.
No, it's just we grew apart. That old story. Just grew apart.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is your question, my dear?
Well, my question was, the question was on the inheritance thing.
Yeah, the inheritance thing is your separate property. Even if you are married, and effectively for all legal purposes, a domestic partnership is a marriage. The only thing is they don't want to call it a marriage, which I've never understood, because a duck is a duck, and it's a big deal that you guys are married. Like, it really bothers me if you're married, right?
Yeah,
I still have a miserable relationship with my wife, no matter what they call you. So I've never understood that concept. But the point is that it is your property until you decide to make it both of your property, and that's what you did.
Got it. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
All right, you got it. 18 years, long time to be in those kinds of relationships, those preverts. God did not intend women and women to be together unless they're videoing it and there's a bunch of guys sitting there drinking beer, and that's exactly what God intended.